The storm's coming. We've just had a really bad storm a couple of days ago, over 100 mile an hour winds. So this is a new storm coming from the Atlantic, coming down through Scotland, and we're like the first major city as you come into England. We're Newcastle, basically on the border, so we get the first signs of the storm. But basically it's been quite bad. Like, the winds have put loads of trees down. Trying to see if you can see anybody. You can see that corner there, you can see where they've been cut. What is that? There's a spacecraft in the alien? I don't know. But you can tell when the weather changes, all of a sudden it goes like cold, and you get the wind, you can feel the moisture in the air. You know the rain's coming. Definitely the rain is coming from over there, because as you look round, basically, I'll just get my finger on it. If you look here, same over here, I could see past that where my finger is. Can't see it now. I'll try and zoom. You know what I mean? Can you see there? Where it looks mist? That's rain coming. That's the rain coming. You see the difference in clouds? So I don't know really how fast it's moving quick, I think. Doesn't look like it, but it's coming. Doesn't stop people from going to our fast food place. How close I am, eh? That's it, guys. There's McDonald's, and there's McDonald's from my penthouse. Yep. So basically there it is, and here I am. 10-minute walk. That's all it is. Follow that van. Yeah. So it went down there. He could have went left here, then right, but I don't know which way he's going. I've just seen him pass there. Yeah, there. He's got to come out there. I've just seen him pass again. I don't know if he can get right, but now he can get left. He must have went left. So guys, if you look straight down there, that grey building, that's Lidl. You got Lidl there, and you got Iceland. If you look at this building just here, 2 seconds, I'll get it up. This one here, that's Farm, the one there, the two roofs, that's Farm Foods. Next door to Farm Foods is Greg's. So basically every shop is, every major place is on my doorstep. So it's all handy. So if fast food is walk for there, if you want like your shopping. I normally do it online, but a couple of times I've been doing there. Also that blue building there, this blue building here, that's also a gym and post office. It's also a little coffee, now one of them little cheap coffees. For the tea and bacon sandwich there. To my left, right to my left, there's also an Indians and a Chinese, fish and chip shop. And there's another coffee, that's on that row. Facing it, there's a little place called Candles. It's like a little shop that sells things kind of cheap. Then there's also a second-hand shop, which is great. I've been in a few times, got some picture frames and that from me photos. Oh, there's a little gang there. Look, it's a little gang. There's my little gang. Not my little gang, but little gang in the area. There's 3 of them, but there must be back on one be getting bad. I can hear a motorbike as well. Oh, there's a motorbike crew. See them? They spotted each other. Have a motorbikes that come loud. It's gonna come at this gap there. Oh, they went straight on. See them? Fucking loud like. Still have it. See, still all the way in there. There's a bus out to be heading to the city centre. So where them heading on a bike? Are they heading straight across the motorway? What's up here? Well, a little junction in the motorway. It's not a junction, but it's like a path. Definitely them, because I can see them moving fast. So they've turned right. Well, I can hear a siren. Where's this Mercy's motorbike's gone? Well guys, just a little look of like Newcastle from my penthouse on the 11th floor, just showing you what it's like. Thought it was a bat there. It's just as it's starting to turn to night, the storms are coming. We've got a big storm coming in from the Atlantic, it's been all over the news. So it's starting to get dark. So anyway, peace guys.